Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel are meant for educational purpose only.